Hello, hey guys, am I live already? Yes, apparently yes. What's up guys, Rodrigo here, welcome back to one more video guys. Today we are going of course to talk about the crypto market as a whole, but also very important key levels that we need to break above on the Bitcoin price section and also all the other altcoins. So guys, don't forget to smash the like button already. If you're not a subscriber, subscribe. Let's start talking about Bitcoin here, guys. There are some actually very bad things that are happening here on the Bitcoin price section. I was expecting some movements to the upside here on the 1 hour time frame. If we would break above the level of one resistance, and we broke above the level of this resistance, but unfortunately we failed to hold it as a support on the way back. Right here, if you are a subscriber already, you know that I was telling you about this green level right here, the $26,900, and I told you that breaking this level to the upside and finding support here on the way back would be a very good spot to open a long position. But unfortunately, we managed to hold support once, but then we failed on the second time and we didn't hit our target all the way up to these resistances right here. Right now, the price is fighting here at this level, at this region, at this resistance. Is it a resistance? Is it a support? The price action is not very well defined right here. So I am personally not going to be trading. Even if we are going to hold above the level of this resistance, I am not feeling comfortable to trade right now on Bitcoin. Why? Because if we change the time frame here to the 4 hour time frames, for example, you can see that we had this very ugly candle right here with a huge wick to the upside, showing that the bears are in control so far. Of course, it's not 100%. It doesn't necessarily mean that the price is going to melt down from this point, but it is of course not a very good candle. And even though we are going to close some candles above this level, I don't feel comfortable to open long positions at this point. Okay, that's the reason. Let's see. Hey Leticia, how are you doing? Thank you very much for the support and for being here once more. Hey guys, we have 5 people here, guys. Thank you very much for the support. Don't forget to smash the like button right there, and also don't forget to comment on the comment section if you want me to analyze some altcoins, if you have any questions and any suggestions or anything like this. So yeah, it's pretty bad. Actually, I traded this movement yesterday. If we change here to the 5 minutes chart, let me show you my trade. So at the retest right here, as I was explaining right now, we broke above this level and we had a very fast, very quickly movement here to retest this level. We came all the way down and we actually was rejected. We were supported from this level right here by this level, and we started going up, and somewhere right here I opened my long position. As you can see, I was stopped out, of course. We didn't hit the target all the way to these resistances here, but I wasn't very confident already, because as we were approaching these levels here of this previous high, which is also, let me zoom out, which is also level of resistance, because of these lows right here, we were being weak. We were having so much trouble to pass this point, these levels. And also we were going up, but we, unfortunately, where is the RSI? I love trading with the RSI. There we go. We were forming these higher highs here on the price section and lower highs on the RSI, meaning of course bearish divergency. So I protected myself. I understood this scenario. I understood that very possible we would have the leg to the downside, breaking all yeah, let's delete it for now, no need, breaking all the level of this support. So my initial trade position, I opened somewhere here, My stop loss was below the candle, below this hammer right here, and the target all the way up there. So as you can see, a 3.5 risk reward ratio. And at the moment that I felt that I saw this weakness right here on the price action, I changed this strategy and I put my stop loss here slightly above my entry point. So I was stopped out, but I didn't lose money on this trade because of this. Luciana, hey, it's good to see you here. Thank you. Beijo. Thank you. I think it's the first time you're here, right? Primeira vez que você tá aqui na minha live, né? Beijo pra você. Yes. 3 people watching right now. Guys, don't forget to smash the like button right there. Lucelia, how are you doing? Thank you for being here as well. If you have any questions, any suggestions, please don't forget to let me know on the comment section. And yes, that's how I was stopped out on this movement. I was telling you about how good could be if we would break above the level of this green line right here, this green resistance at 28,900. But I also warned you, I also told you in one of my videos about one level. Let me show you right now the ribbons. Let's change to the 1 hour time frame. No, daily time frame actually. There we go. So there we have the ribbons, and as you can see on the daily time frame, I warned you about this before, but I forgot myself about this. I told you in one of my videos that if we would come all the way up to this level, if we would see a pump all the way up to $27,100, $200, I wouldn't be excited, because I knew that this level is exactly the level that we have the daily ribbon. So we just broke it to the downside, as you can see, and it is very likely that we are going to retest it before keep going to the downside, or maybe before breaking it, of course. So very likely that we would come all the way back to this level to retest it. And with this movement that we had yesterday, this was pretty much what happened. And on the daily time frame, it is very clear. Also, we cannot forget that that there is a pattern playing out on Bitcoin, and this pattern is this descending triangle right here. The target is all the height of this triangle projected from the moment of the breakout here. We are being rejected by the ribbons on the daily time frame, on the 4 hour time frame, on the daily time frame, and I was looking at this as a slightly bullish, on a slightly bullish way, thinking that we could come all the way up to this resistance, as I just said. But now I have another approach. I am seeing another scenario right here. As I am saying, we have a bearish target all the way down to $26,100, and let me delete the ribbons. Too much information on the chart. There we go. And you can see, guys, that we are pretty much accumulating here, pretty much consolidating here after this huge movement to the downside. We are accumulating, going slightly upwards. You know what this means, right? This is a bull flag. Let me show you. Like this. This is a bull flag, guys, as you can see. So this part right here, this I can't call this a, yeah, it is actually a fake out. This movement that we had here is just a fake out of this bear flag movement. So this changes everything, guys, because if you take a look on Bitcoin on a bigger on the bigger picture, we are not doing well, guys, unfortunately. So it is very likely, on my opinion, that we are going to come all the way down and actually hit our target down here, even coming all the way down to retest this descending line of support. Very important line. Let me show you. There we go. So yes, very likely. So let's pay attention here, guys. This is crucial here for our technical analysis on Bitcoin. Of course, if we are going to break the top, the resistance of this bear flag to the upside, we would be invalidating it. But this movement right here usually is the movement that we grab the liquidity before we break it to the downside. So not very good. Hey Luciana, it's not the first time. Oh, it's good to know about this then, actually, because I didn't know. Thank you very much for the support. Please do more beginner's guide. Of course. By the way, I am going to finish this live stream not now. I'm going to finish this live stream today, and I am going to start recording, start making already the second part of the beginner's guide to you guys. Yes, it was a very good video. A lot of people liked it. Let me show you real quickly. Right here. Yes, that's... If you're new to this channel, guys, don't forget to press the button and sign up to this channel, to subscribe to this channel. Hit the bell right there. On this channel, you can find daily technical analysis, sometimes live streams, sometimes just videos. Also, I am trading almost every day, and I am showing my profits, I am showing my trades, the reason that I saw on the chart, and explaining all the reasons that I saw on the charts to join this trade, to open this long or this short position. So if you are searching for something like this, you can subscribe to this channel, because that's the content that I am providing for you. As you can see, we hit another target. On this video, for example, I am making, it was a very good trade that I did on Matic, and I made from $100, I made $300. So very good trade. I am showing you everything right there. Here as well, 8% profit in 5 minutes. Very, a lot of interesting things. This here I made $500 in 1 day. Everything on the video for you guys, so you can just watch the videos. Hey guys, we have now live 6 people. Thank you guys, thank you very much for the support. Don't forget to smash the like button right there. And there it is, Leticia, you are talking about this video right here, beginner's guide. Guys, if you are new to this channel, if you are new to crypto trading, to the crypto world, as I am showing you here once more that I'm making $500. If you're skeptical about trading, guys, it is not gambling. It is a real thing. You just need to get educated. You need to learn. You need to study. Take it seriously, and you can become profitable as well. And thinking about you, I started making this beginner's guide. This video here was the first one. A lot of people liked this video. I got a lot of new subscribers, so I understood, of course, that you guys like this this type of content, and I'm going to be pushing more. So yes, let's say, answering your question right now, today I am going to record this video. Probably today I'm going to be uploading as well. Not promised, but probably today. Let me know which altcoins you want me to analyze to you. And before we come back to the charts, don't forget, guys, if you're new to trade, or if you're searching for a new exchange to trade as well, you can go on the description of this video. You're going to find these 2 links right here. The first one, you can have access to Bybit, which is my favorite exchange. I've been using for a while, for years, and I never had any problem with this. Using the link on the description of this video, of course, you're going to be supporting me, you're going to be supporting the channel, and also using this link, you can claim up to $30,000 bonus, depending on how much you're going to deposit and trade. But if you don't want to do KYC for some reason, you can sign up to Bitflex using this link here. You are going to get $10 when you deposit $100. Let's go back to the technical analysis right now. Let's see, I think there is something else that I wanted to talk about Bitcoin. So yes, right now I am not going to trade Bitcoin, guys. No matter what happens here inside this bear flag, I am not going to trade. I'm not looking for trades. I am going to wait and see if we are going to break this to the upside or break this to the downside. Most probably we are going to break this to the downside, because as I said, we are there is a pattern playing out and the pattern is this descending triangle right here, which we could even consider it as a symmetrical triangle, like this. Yes, purple. Yes, it is also a symmetrical triangle. Doesn't matter. The target is almost the same. If you consider the descending triangle, that's the target you measure like this. And if you consider the symmetrical, you come all the way down to this level and project from the moment of the breakout. Slight difference, as you can see, but nothing that big. So yeah, that's the next important level for Bitcoin, guys. Bear flag. Pay attention to this bear flag, guys. If we're going to be breaking this bear flag to the downside, we are not only going of the descending triangle, but also the bear flag itself has its own target. Let's calculate right now. Usually we calculate the target for the bear flag taking a look at the pole of the flag. So we could have, guys, yes, unfortunately, all this movement to the downside from the moment of the breakout. So it would bring the price all the way down to $25,500, as you can see, if we consider the pole being all the way up to this level. If you are more conservative, you can use, of course, from this point as well to calculate the target, more conservative. And there we go, almost the same as the descending triangle. What happened to Matic? Okay, Matic, let's talk about Matic. What happened to Matic after your profit? So after I took my profit, after I closed my position, let me show you very quickly here. So Matic, guys, it was a very, very good trade, very profitable trade. I saw that we... first, we were having this bull rally to the upside. We broke this this trend to the downside right here, and we would be starting a new corrective movement to the downside. Of course, corrective movements to the downside. And we had this leg to the upside. We started forming this bearish rising wedge right here, broke it to the downside. We were having... were we having? No, we were not having bearish divergence on the 1 hour time frame. Just a second, where am I? Yes, we were not having the bearish divergence, but anyway, this is a bearish pattern, the bearish rising wedge. If you don't know what I'm talking about, you don't know. If you don't know about chart patterns, you can watch the video that I just showed you on my channel. I'm explaining everything there, not only this one, but more chart patterns. So we broke this to the downside, and that's the moment that I opened my short position somewhere here. I can't remember properly already. I have a full video telling you about this trade. And yes, guys, it was an aggressive trade if we are going to talk about leverage. I was using 20x leverage, but not a very big amount actually. It was only $100. So we caught all this movement to the downside until somewhere right here. And at this point, I quit. I closed my position at this point. So answering your question, after closing my trade position at the level of this support right here, we broke the support to the downside. We went a little bit more to the downside. It would have gave me 40% more to this trade, and then we started going to the upside again once more. That's what happened. Right now, guys, here watching my tick here on the 1 hour time frame, it looks like things could get good here for us. Actually, I have so many lines here, guys. I'm so sorry for this. I'm going to clean it for the next video, for the next live stream. But anyways, you can see that this level that we are fighting, that we are battling here right now, the level of 0.52 is one level of resistance. Yes, and if we are going to manage to break above the level of this resistance, then we could expect to keep seeing this type of movement, and the next resistance that we are going to have is going to be all the way up to 0.5299, 0.2 or 0.5299, 0.53. That's the next resistance here that we could face. Let me see. Yes, but if we pay attention, we are having a bearish divergence here on the 1 hour time frame, so I am not very trusting this movement very well. I'm not trusting that we are going to break this to the upside. Also, this level is a level that which is supporting the price. So yes, breaking this to the downside, breaking this line here to the downside, we could expect some more movement, some more corrective movements on Matic on the 1 hour time frame at least. Yes. And if we change to the 4 hour time frame, we also have this very ugly candle right here that I was just telling you that we had on Bitcoin. Oh my god, I just changed to Matic or to Cardano. What am I doing? I'm sorry, guys. So yes, that's it for Matic. No, but it's the same thing here actually. We have the same movement here, the same ugly candle. Just this just reminded me about something on the Bitcoin chart, guys. Something very bad. Let's go to the weekly time frame. I need to show you the 200 moving average. Very, very important indicator on the bigger time frame, the 200 moving average. Yes. And as you can see, we still have 1 day and 7 hours until this candle's closed, as you can see. But guys, the last week we closed this doji right here below the level of the resistance, below the level of this 200 moving average. And the next candle, this weekly candle, we went to the downside. So it shows that actually we are being rejected by this resistance, not for the first time, but for the second time, as you can see. I just can't have a positive, I just can't have positive thoughts on Bitcoin while we are still below the level of this moving average, guys. If we see the history here, we have never, oh, let me change to logarithmic. There we go. We have never been below, in the whole history of Bitcoin, guys, we never have closed candles below this level. This is the first bear market, as you can see, that we are closing candles below this level. It is a very, very important level. So important that has always supported the price in all the bear markets that we had. So that's the importance of it. So of course, a strong support, it is also a strong resistance. So that's why I am saying, while we are still below this level, I can have positive, good thoughts about Bitcoin. So let's see how this candle is going to be closed, because if we are going to have some bullish momentum, some bulls stepping in, of course, we can be closing a better candle this week still. One day it is going to be closed tomorrow, but so far not good. And also, if we are going to come all the way down to this level here at 25,871, which is the level of this support right here. Yes, this green line right here. You can see that we would be forming, guys, not a very beautiful, not a very static, but we would be forming a head and shoulders. The head, left shoulder, right shoulder, and breaking this to the downside would trigger more bearishness, okay? One more thing, it's been a while that I don't talk about this. Just need a second to find it. For people watching, guys, tell me, Leticia is telling me here that there is something bad with the live stream. It's saying that the audio is not good, the sound. How is it for you guys? I don't know what is happening. Let me try to fix it. Yes. Luciana is also telling me here that we are having some issues. So I will keep trying for some more minutes. Okay. And you let me know there if it's still bad. I'm going to stop the live stream, of course, and we could try another time or tomorrow. Okay, so let me show you what I was talking about, and this thing is bearish rising wedge. Let me find it. There we go. Bearish rising wedge. Yes, guys, we cannot forget that we are there is a pattern playing out on the bigger time frame. Bearish rising wedge. Very ugly, very bearish pattern. The target for this one, I'm not saying that we have to hit it, because nothing is 100% on trading on the crypto world, but the target would be all the way down to this level right here, to the beginning of this movement right here at $15,000. Once more, I'm not saying that we are going to go there, but that's just a technical target for this pattern. So a lot of bearishness, and also just before the live stream, I checked the monthly chart, guys. I'm not sure you want to see this. Very ugly candle. Can you see this candle? Of course, it is a monthly candle. It is not closed, and it is going to be closed only after 17 days, as you can see. But if we are going to close this candle this way, guys, very bad for us. Very bad. Luciana, Leticia, let me know. How is it now? Is it better? Can I keep talking? Yes, guys, unfortunately, I'm facing some technical problems. I am having some technical issues here. I am so sorry for this. I don't know what happened, but I will try to see what happened here, and I'll try to fix for the next time so we don't have these problems. There are much more things that I want to talk about here, some altcoins, but unfortunately, as there are some people telling me you can't even hear me properly. So that's it for today, guys. Thank you very much for being here with me until the end. If you're not a subscriber, subscribe, hit the bell. If you like this content, don't forget to smash the like button, and I see you in the next time. Stay focused.